Hey everyone, what's up YouTube? How you doing? You good? Me, I am chilling and I am back with yet another video. Yes, so as you can see from the title, clearly your girl is coming to you with a fall look. This is my first one for the season and I absolutely love it. I use the Colourpop Good Sport palette as well as their Crush on You highlighting palette in this video. You guys see me swatch it. If you didn't, I will link it up here as well as down below. And yes, just get into this hair and this face, okay? And this face. I absolutely adore this look, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So hey you guys, yeah, y'all know Colourpop just dropped their recently dropped their fall edit 2018 palette, and that is what you are looking at now. So I'm going to take their no filter concealer in the color Deep 48 and prime my eyelids and then set it with the shade High Hopes. Yeah, so taking that shade High Hopes, that pretty tan shade, I'm just gonna go ahead and set that concealer in place. The next color I'm going in with is Hooky, which is this nice brown, nice orange transition color that I'm going to use it as. And I'm just going to put that right above my crease. I'm just going to keep blending it out until I get the desired color payoff that I'm looking for. I like to go back and forth, of course, because they got to look alike. So I keep going back and forth, just blending it out and feathering it out more, adding a little product at a time, not packing it on because I don't want it to be overpowering. So I like to put on, blend out, put on, blend out. The next shade I'm going in with is Reckless. This is beautiful burgundy color. I absolutely love this color. So I'm going to put that directly in my crease and I'm just going to add that on, pack it on, blend it out, and until I get the desired color that I want. I love how pigmented Colourpop's eyeshadow palettes are, for them to be so inexpensive. It's a really, really good palette. Going back in with Hooky, that orange transition color, because I still want the orange to show up, of course. I didn't put it up there for no reason. So I go back and forth with Reckless and Hooky, just trying to make sure that everything is showing up, everything is looking symmetrical, okay, before we move on. Now I'm going to attempt to cut my crease, but y'all ain't gonna see too much. Moving right along, going into this beautiful shimmer shade Rookie. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has like flecks of icy blue in it, but when I pack it on with the brush, it dusts the glitter away and it turns into like this perfect rose gold color. Oh my god, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to apply it with my finger at first, then I realized my nail was too long, so I had to go in there with a brush, which took away them blue flecks, but I absolutely loved how it turned out. So I like how you get a little 2-in-1 shadow with that color right there. Y'all will see. After a while, them blue flecks are going to somewhat disappear. You see it? And how it's turning into like this beautiful orangey, rustic, rose goldish situation. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm just going to go back in with Reckless and feather it out to blend those two colors together. I ran out of makeup wipes, so I had to use my liquid water situation and a cotton pad and just clean up around those edges and wipe all that glitter off of my face before we go in with this base. Ooh, them is balls. That was a ball. I'm going to take that e.l.f. Primer and apply it on my face. This is somewhat of a Colourpop full face situation, okay? So this is the Colourpop No Filter Foundation in the color Deep Dark 210, which I do not believe is my color clearly. You're gonna see I'm gonna glance over and get a whiff of what I look like. Oh, right there, right there. Girl, you red. That's what you are. You are red. Trifling. Yeah, I didn't pick that out awesome at all. Horrible. It's just horrible. You got to laugh at yourself sometimes. So I'm going to continue blending that out. Y'all know I go in with a sponge and then I like to buff it out with a brush. My personal preference. I'm gonna go back in with the same Colourpop concealer that you can tell is too bright. I didn't do well. I just didn't do well, okay, with the picking these out online. It didn't work out for me, okay? It turned out okay, but it would be better if I had the proper shades. But the best thing about Colourpop is so inexpensive. I have no problem going up there buying me another foundation and concealer. You see how bright that is? Child, bye. She tried it. But we're gonna finesse it. We're gonna finesse it. I absolutely love this concealer though. Now taking my Laura Mercier Deep Dark, I believe the darkest shade of their setting powder, I'm going to set my under eye. Gorgeous powder. Gorgeous powder. Then I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder just because I'm trying to get rid of it. I really don't like this powder, but I paid for it, so I'm trying to get rid of it, and I'm just going to lightly dust a layer of that on top of the Laura Mercier powder. Next, I'm going to take this Kiko eyeshadow in the number 5. I use this as my contour shade. It's been working for me since I was in Germany, and I absolutely love the color of it. If you notice, I don't set my whole face because I do have normal to dry skin, so I don't really set my whole entire face with the powder. I just take whatever excess setting powder I had underneath my eye and dust all over my face. It's been working for me. Yes, it has. See, if I finessed it, it's okay. It's okay. But after I let that sit for a little while, I went back in with my contour. And now it's time to contour this nose, y'all. I'm still learning how to chisel this my grandmama's nose on my face, okay? I'm not hating on my nose. I'm just trying to learn how to chisel it a little bit. That's it. Just need some skills, some. It needs some. Taking 2 separate brushes. One is smaller than the other, and I'm gonna take the big one and then just buff out that harsh contour line that I have going on right now. Next, going in with my NARS Seduction blush. Absolutely love that blush. My favorite of all times. I'm going to put that on my cheeks. Now going in with their Crush on You palette. These highlighters feel like straight butter. I'm going to take both Poker Face and Class Act and attempt to put them on the highest points of my cheeks. But I think since they so soft that the brush I was using just was not picking up any product at all. You see, my face is like, wait a minute, what's going on? Did I get a defective palette? What's the problem? Just was not showing up. So I had to switch brushes. Now this fan brush is just more of a prickly brush, so then it started to show up. There it is. Okay, I had to literally dig into the palette to get some color payoff on, and then buff it out with that same brush. The highlighter is like no other powder that I've ever highlighter powder that I've ever tried. It's very soft, so I don't know what the deal is on it, but now it's time to blend all of that out. You know, you blend. Blending is your friend, okay? I promise you it's your friend. These are the lashes that I'm using, and voila. The girl has come. She has arrived, okay? I am so like in love with this look. Y'all have no idea. Like she did that. She did that, okay? You guys go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to go ahead and log off and see you next time. Okay, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I am in love with this look, okay? And stay tuned for more makeup tutorials. Your girl is learning, okay? True beginner, okay? True beginner makeup, okay? So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If it's not too much, please feel free to like, comment, and or subscribe. Until next time, bye.